His fender brackets are perfect this week. I see you got that caliper going right together.
Drop the parts as you.
What's that down
just
there?
As you turned it on and dropped the parts.
He doesn't know where this goes either.
Well, you're gonna harass me already? I just got here.
I just got here. Cheddar sour cream. Scooby's not gonna like those. He likes.
That would be a Scooby problem.
Well, it's cheddar. That's cheese. He'll eat it as long as it's
He'll
cheese.
eat anything.
As long as it's cheese, he'll eat it.
Where's this freaking thing going? Down here?
Yeah, it goes in the hole down there somehow. You took it apart, don't you know?
Sometimes you just figure this shit out later.
Oh, sounds like me now. And you get a bunch of stupid comments about how you didn't read the instructions.
Instructions.
What instructions is right? We have no instructions.
There's no instructions on how to put a bigger tire on the damn thing.
Sure there is. Get a bigger hammer.
I agree with that.
It'll fit. I thought we had to pull the wheel off to put the fender on.
We do. I'm getting ready to.
Oh.
I was just matching things up before I got to that.
Oh, there's the fender. I don't know what you do with the fender. He's storing it.
I kicked it on the floor.
He's storing it right there. It's a storage thing.
This fancy fender here.
Fancy fender. Remember, we're putting it on backwards.
Okay.
Scratch goes to the rear. Hey, don't put that on top of them valuable panhead parts there. You might scratch them.
What am I going to scratch them with my plastic piece of fender?
Yeah. Well, those are actually knucklehead parts, some of that stuff. There you go. Perfect. Oh, I think I showed your feet. Accident. Close your eyes.
Where's all the tools? Somebody take all my tools?
I cleaned up a lot. You had a whole big pile on the floor all over the place.
Where'd you stick the tools?
It's just over here.
No damn tools.
It's like a clamp.
Don't go with this.
What tools you want?
Well, where's the crescent wrench to freaking take it? Oh, you threw it over there.
No, these are my tools. I brought them special for me. Okay, what else you want? Got a hammer. Got a flashlight in case it gets dark in here.
All we need. Freaking crescent wrench.
Got a screwdriver to jam stuff there.
That's all we need is Scooby.
Where's our stupid visor at? Scooby's hiding over there someplace.
Scooby! I need some chips.
So you gave him a pizza and he went right to sleep.
Crappy pizza.
He's hiding. Gotta find Scooby. I'll get him out a piece of cheddar cheese chip stuff here. He'll come out for this. You just watch. Get all my new shirts in too. Top secret. Find Scooby. Scooby! Oh, there he is. He's standing there looking at me in the dark. Glow in the dark eyeballs right there. What's going on? You didn't want no chips? You didn't want that? Oh, look at that. Yeah. Let's go. We'll get some more in the back. Come on, let's go. Come on. Come on, Scooby. Come on. What's wrong? Did Fred pick on you? Come on, let's go. Come on, Scooby. Come on. Come on, Scooby. Scooby don't want to come back for some reason. Come on, Scooby. Here you go. Come on. Got another one. Hey, come on. Oh, look at that slouching little mutt. Let's go. Come on, let's go. Pretty bad you gotta bribe your dog to come with you. Come on, Scooby, let's go. Now he's moving. Good boy. Good thing I took those chips with me. That's what it took to get on the move.
He knows there's something back here to have, right?
That's right. There you go.
We got any more button screws like this?
Button screws. Those are expensive chrome-plated ones. Yeah.
Well,
Where'd you get those from?
I brought this one from home.
Oh. How many more you want?
Well, I think I only brought 2 on one side.
How many you want?
4?
What length do you want?
Not quite this long. I'll use used ones. We got used ones in the box or what?
I got some used stuff, not a lot.
Let's go look for some used ones.
Find your sample. There's no used ones on that bike, I know that. Now he wants used parts for his bike. There's a used bike right there.
You getting bored looking for damn parts?
What parts?
Huh?
All kinds of parts over here. I would just use regular bolts. I don't know why you use fancy stuff.
Well, we're gonna go look through the new box.
Here's our vintage stuff here.
You have to mix them up.
Yeah, I might have to
Might
open the
be a
hole
little
up.
bit
Might
big.
have to open the hole up slightly, but it'll bolt right in.
Too small.
Really? Picky. Too small. Too big. Too this. Too that. Don't make a mess there. Clean it all up. Oh, look at that. You're making a mess already.
Why don't you turn the light on?
The light is on.
The ones we need are on the bottom.
You don't have to be on the box. Everything's on top now. What about that one right there? That's a primary one. Tell because it has a seal on it.
That's fine thread.
Oh, now you're picky. You want the right thread and everything.
We could go this style. That's too bad.
What about a stove bolt?
Yeah, we can really make it look.
Put a spike that, stick it out about 4 inches.
There's some freaking rough old stove bolts holding on it.
Oh, you made a mess. Yeah, you're making a mess, Fred. Look at that.
That's the look I'm going for.
Do that one on the floor.
Rusted stove bolts. We could.
Bolts and bolts.
You
There's
got
all those bolt containers I moved.
where are they now?
Well, they were all by the door over there. I moved them somewhere. You had a whole bunch of crap in
You
there.
never move anything.
Well, they were sitting on top of that damn rollaway thing
Yeah,
there.
where'd you put them?
I don't know what I did with all that crap.
I'm okay with just straight up.
I'm pretty sure I didn't haul it to the mountains yet, but
I'm okay with straight up hex head if we got them.
we got hex. Got button head. Here's another button head here. It's fine thread though.
You know,
You're making a big mess here, Fred. You made a big mess here. You're going to have to clean up now.
shove it back in the box.
Well, it didn't quite all go back in the box. It went all over the place.
Found two.
To what?
Two that are
Yeah, a bunch of ugly stuff here.
two ugly ones.
Don't look in the mirror. Where'd that one go? Oh, it's trying to get away. Ugh. Got new ones here.
I know you got new ones. Oh, you got 1,000 new ones.
No, they're not 1,000, but I got a couple.
100.
There's some junk here. Ooh, look at those. I like that.
600.
How about some straight slot? How about some stainless steel straight slot?
Let's see. Hang on. What are you looking now over there? Actually found a place to look.
Well, I got crap everywhere. I just don't use this stuff.
That's perfect.
It's fine thread though, but
Well, fine.
here's some butts, here's some screws, there's some gold ones here. Those would look nice on the bike. Oh, there's some junk there. There's some washers.
We're still in, I won't call it mock-up. We're in like
No, we're in final assembly. What's in this container over here?
final assembly.
What's over in this container?
Oh. Pull it out. No, they're
That's an O-ring.
O-rings. Yeah.
How about that? There's those. They don't make a mess. Oh, that doesn't look very good. There's all my missing grommets.
You need to remember those.
Yeah, well, I'll put them right back where they were. I'll forget about them again. Studs, we could have used those.
Just crap.
Yeah, but some of that crap's good stuff. Yeah, I'll put that all back. We don't need that junk. What'd you do with those big containers? Maybe I did haul in the mountains.
4 freaking standard hex heads. 4, a half-inch long, an inch long,
Half inch or inch long.
inch long. Oh, hey, oh no!
Here, put that container back up in there where it came from, Fred.
Oh, I realize everything is based on a balance of.
That's right.
balance of junk.
Don't forget that down there.
And how many?
Don't put that on my Indian part. My Indian battery charger. Indian Chief. Look at that. 6 volts. Oh, you broke my damn light.
Something in here, I'm sure.
There's all kinds of junk in there. There's junk everywhere.
You're wandering off. Come on, man.
I got confused. I was looking for the bolt bin. I was looking for the bolt bins.
Come on, man.
What'd you do with those big bolt bins?
Look. That's too small.
Well, if you want hex, just go in the drawer on the other end. Whatever you want. Those are too long. Too short. Sheet metal screw, that'll work.
I'm thinking as much time as we wasted on this.
Oh, here they are, Fred. I found them. Here they are. Here's the bolt bins. They're in here.
What the hell are they?
You know how long it's going to take to get to them, though? They're buried. They're heavy. You break my plastic container, you have to buy a new one. I don't think it's
threw a
worth
bunch
it.
of damn plastic containers in there.
Oh, that was you, not me. What are you doing? You're making a mess. Why are you taking that out of the container? Oh, you broke it. Fred, you broke it.
Because we knew it was going to break because it's all, everything's just falls apart around here.
Because they're vintage.
40 pounds of
Look at this
crap
one. You didn't even touch this one yet. It's already broken. Look
40
at that.
pounds of crap on a 10-pound bag.
Oh, here's some more
Called
stuff over there.
livid.
Here we go. Here's more of it over here. Look at all this junk. There's an exhaust clamp for a Harley. Got a hose clamp.
This has got
What?
vintage crap.
Vintage crap. You call
This
all my
is
stuff
good
vintage crap.
Vintage crap.
Vintage crap.
Like this, right?
What? That's airline.
When's the last time that airline was used?
That was last week, I think.
This reminds me of, you know, when we got the...
That's a good one there. That was a new one.
When we got the El Camino from that guy.
Yeah.
I'm cleaning his garage out and I'm finding broken Volkswagen parts.
That's right. Oh, this is more of my panhead shit. Or my, this is my ugly bike part. What's that doing over there? That belongs over here. That goes on that bike.
You know, nuts and bolts, we've been screwed.
You got screwed. Did you find the screws you wanted to do?
This is,
It's all stainless shit.
well, I like stainless. I'm okay with stainless.
I don't like stainless.
Because that's makes me gonna use that stainless.
What do you got in there? You got anything good over there? What are you pulling out? You're too quick. Oh, there's Mama.
Huh?
Yeah. All right. We'll be back.
This is here.
Okay, we had a break in entertainment.
Spacers.
Scooby's gone. Mama took her dog back. Those are chrome spacers, Fred.
Did I say they weren't chrome?
Oh, this is a different container now.
I know, that's all junk. It's all
Didn't you find some in the other container?
nothing. I
Nothing.
found these 4 things. I might just use those 4.
Those are oval head screws. Those aren't going to work very good on the fender. Be better with hex bolts. But there's some button heads in
Grab
there.
4 freaking butt head.
There's no butt heads in there?
Button head. I'll pay you cash for them.
There's no
With
butt
some
heads.
nylocks, and
There's
let's
some-
get
there's-
it done.
there's
I'm tired of messing around.
There's no
man.
butt heads in here anywhere?
Man, I'm tired.
It's down here,
Come
Fred.
on, man.
Fred don't like butt heads anymore.
Come on, man. Let's freaking get it done. I don't mess around. Messing around. We was just moving the junk from one thing to another.
That's right. Well, I didn't move them. I didn't move it out of here yet. That was ready to go though. It's all packed. You can put those back where they came from?
No,
Why not?
because I have to dig them all out again.
Well, throw them back in the container, Lee. Fine. You're always
Give me
just
4
fine
nice
everywhere.
button. They don't have to be chrome. They can be stainless if you got them.
How about black?
Huh?
How about black?
That's fine. They can be rusty. I don't care if they're rusty.
They're not rusty. I don't know if I have any black ones though.
I'll use Phillips heads.
We got too many butt head screws. We got wood screws. There we go, butt head.
There you go. There. Look. No, too small. Too small.
Too small and too big.
Too long.
Too long. That's the right size, but it's too short. And this the next one up is a little bit longer. Fred,
You're about useless.
I'm about useless, Fred. It appears we are useless around here. If you got 5/16, we're good though. And number 10, we're good.
The metric, you're good.
Okay. Nope, she got luck.
What's in this drawer?
Other stuff.
So, pull me out chrome buttons.
Chrome butt screws.
I got cash. I can pay.
Fred has money. It's hard to believe. Where would you find a butt screw around here?
Well, it looks button there. Button Allens.
What thread do you want? You want fine thread or coarse thread?
What do you think, Tatro?
I think there's a missing Allen bolt over here that you threw around. Look, there's another one over here you threw around. There's one of these popping up all over the place. You made a mess in the hardware. Well, you were didn't like that fine thread one that we had out earlier.
I knew we were going to go for this. I brought my own, which I did bring a couple of my own.
You want 5/8 or 1/2 inch?
I think we need 5/8.
5/8 would be right there.
I think we need an inch. Let me try it. Yeah, go answer the phone.
What
We'll be
phone?
back.
We'll be back.